Windows play an essential role in every home. They provide light, protect you from the elements, and help regulate indoor comfort. But when they start to fail, they can quickly become a source of frustration and expense. For Washington homeowners, where rain, moisture, and seasonal temperature changes are part of everyday life, keeping windows in top shape is especially important. If you're wondering whether it's time for an upgrade, here are the top signs you may need new window installation in Washington. Drafts and uneven temperatures. One of the most common warning signs is a noticeable draft. If you feel cold air seeping in during Washington's wet winters or warm air creeping in during the summer, your windows may no longer be sealing properly. Why it matters. Drafts make rooms uncomfortable and force your HVAC system to work harder, driving up energy bills. Solution. New energy-efficient windows feature advanced insulation and weather stripping that eliminate drafts and keep indoor temperatures consistent year-round. High energy bills. Have your utility bills climbed even though your usage hasn't changed? Old or inefficient windows could be the culprit. Single-pane glass or windows with broken seals allow heat transfer, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature indoors. Why it matters. Constant energy loss increases monthly costs and puts unnecessary strain on your heating and cooling systems. Solution. Modern double or triple pane windows with low E coatings and gas fills improve efficiency and lower your bills, an especially important upgrade for Washington homes where heating costs can spike in colder months. Condensation between panes. Foggy or cloudy windows that don't clear up after cleaning are a telltale sign of seal failure. Moisture trapped between panes reduces clarity and insulation. Why it matters. Failed seals not only affect appearance but also reduce energy performance, leading to higher costs and potential moisture damage. Solution. Installing new windows with updated seal technology ensures lasting clarity and better insulation against Washington's damp climate. Difficulty operating windows. Windows should open and close easily. If yours stick, jam, or won't lock properly, it could mean warping, frame damage, or simply age. In Washington's wet climate, wood frames often swell or rot, leading to operational problems. Why it matters. Hard to use windows compromise ventilation, safety, and home security. Solution. New installations with durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass provide smooth operation, reliable locks, and resistance to rot and moisture. Visible damage and decay. Cracked glass, peeling paint, or rotting frames are more than cosmetic issues. Left unaddressed, they can invite moisture into your home, leading to mold, mildew, and even structural damage. Why it matters. Washington's frequent rainfall makes damaged frames particularly risky. Moisture intrusion can quickly spread. Solution. Replacing old, damaged windows with new ones prevents leaks, protects your home, and restores curb appeal. Noise from outdoors. If outside traffic, construction, or neighborhood noise seems louder than it should, your windows may no longer provide adequate sound insulation. Why it matters. Excessive noise affects comfort and peace inside your home. Solution. Modern insulated glass and multi-pane designs reduce noise and create a more tranquil living environment. Outdated style and appearance. Sometimes the biggest sign is visual. Outdated or mismatched windows can detract from your home's beauty and curb appeal. Why it matters. Old styles can lower property value and make your home look less inviting. Solution. A new window installation not only improves efficiency but also updates your home's look, with modern styles to match any design. Final thoughts for Washington homeowners. Windows must stand up to heavy rainfall, seasonal temperature shifts, and daily wear and tear. If you're dealing with drafts, foggy glass, high energy bills, or outdated frames, it may be time for a new window installation. By choosing modern, energy-efficient windows and having them professionally installed, you'll enjoy lower bills, greater comfort, and enhanced curb appeal. Most importantly, you'll ensure your home is protected from Washington's unique climate for years to come.